Paano naman if you are asked to write the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth term is given by the rule, and the rule is a sub n is equal to 5n squared plus 2. Since we are finding for the first 4 terms, ano ang values ni n natin? We have n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First, second, third, and fourth term for 4 terms. Okay, now that we have the values of our n, we are going to solve for each term. So, suppose we have your n is equal to 1. We first write the rule. So, we have your a sub n is equal to 5n squared plus 2. Okay? Since n is equal to 1, isa-substitute natin yan dun sa mga n. So, we have your a sub 1 is equal to 5 times 1. Your n will become 1 squared plus 2. Okay? So, still, a sub 1 is equal to 5. 1 squared is how many? Still 1, diba? So, 5 times 1 plus 2. Okay? So, a sub 1 is equal to 5 times 1. We have 5 plus 2, and that is equal to 7. Okay? O, andali, diba? How about if our n is equal to 2? Okay, so we have a sub n is equal to 5n squared plus 2. Lahat ng n natin magiging 2. So we have a sub 2 is equal to 5 times n is now 2. 2 squared plus 2. Okay, next we have a sub 2 is equal to, let's have this first. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is correct 4. So this will become 5 times 4 plus 2. Okay, what is now 5 times 4? We have, correct, 20 plus 2. So we have 22. So our a sub 2 or our second term is 22. How about the third term? We have here n is equal to 3. So we have a sub n is equal to 5n squared plus 2. Ang n natin mapapalitan na ngayon ng correct 3. So we have a sub 3 is equal to 5 times 3. 3 na yung n natin squared plus 2. So a sub 3 is equal to 5 times, what is 3 squared? 3 times 3 is correct, that's 9 plus 2. Now 5 times 9 is correct, 45 plus 2. So our a sub 3 will become 45 plus 2 is, that's right, 47. Okay, so we have here n is equal to 4. Okay, let's have the rule a sub n is equal to 5n squared plus 2. Okay, and then yung mga n natin magiging 4 na. So we have here a sub 4 is equal to 5 times 4 squared plus 2. Okay, what is 4 squared? 4 times 4 is, correct, 16. So we have here a sub 4 is equal to 5 times 16 plus 2. Okay, now what is 5 times 16? 16 times 5 is, 5 times 6 is 30, carry 3, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 80. So we have here a sub 4 is equal to 80 plus 2. What is 80 plus 2? We have there 82. So our sequence, or the 4 terms in our sequence is 7, 22, 47, and 82. Okay? Kung natutunan ng video na ito, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section, ha? And please don't forget to like and share this video. At please follow for more math videos. Bye!